Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is going to be short and easy. I'm going to display my succulents a little different this year and I wanted to show you guys. So if you want to see how I made this using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. First, you're going to take the candy container from Dollar Tree and it's plastic. You can find this at the party section. And here's the barcode just in case you'd like to order from online. First, what we're going to do is take off all the stickers, and I will be posting all the items that I used in this video down in the description. So that way it's much easier for you to just list the items on there instead of having to pause the video. If you end up having any sticky residue, that's fine. Just put it under warm water and it should come right off. And now I'm just going to take that container and I'm just going to wrap it with paper and tape. You could use paint tape, but here I just ended up going with regular Scotch tape, and I'm just going to go around. Try to have your line nice and straight, and we're going to spray paint this in just a minute. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And by the way, I'm working on a ribbon organizer and some outdoor lighting, which is perfect for summertime. So I'm just trying to work on my yard a little bit, and I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to click that notification bell so you're notified when I upload those videos. Now that I'm done covering half the container, I can go in now with my spray paint. To spray paint this, you can go in any color. Gold would look amazing on this as well, but here's what I'm going in with. I'm going in with these Rust-Oleum, Coastal Gray, and the Stone Texture. And now you have to make sure it's completely dry before peeling the paper and tape. But now I'm just going to peel it off, and I'm going to add my succulents and my stones. And now I'm just going to go in with the white pebbles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go in with the succulents as well, which I also picked up from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to put those together and I'll be right back. So while I was doing this step, I was actually thinking, what if we throw in Elmer's clear glue, like just regular school glue, but the clear one, and give it that water feeling, if you know what I mean? I might actually try that. So let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see a video of that, of how it turns out after pouring in the clear glue. I can put that in another video. But here I'm just adding my succulents, and I definitely love how this looks, you guys. Imagine it in the bathroom. It would look amazing. And here's the finished product. I definitely love it, but I want to hear from you. What do you think of this? Would you do anything differently? And let me know if you want to see the glue idea video. I would happily put that out there for you. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!